Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Honda Odyssey. We're talking about that generation right here between guys year 2011 and year 2017. If you guys need to find where the heated seats relay is located, which relay you need to check for that if your heated seats do not work, where to buy cheap relays and fuses, that way don't waste your money and time, all that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clear written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys, relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses, you can see like the JK's fuses, you have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So the heated seats relay, guys, we'll demonstrate where it's located on 2015 Honda Odyssey. Fun fact about that car, you have 5 different fuse boxes and we're going to work in just one of them. So we got lucky today. And where is that fuse box? If you look on the passenger side under the glove box here by the kick panel, you have one cover, you have a fuse box there. And if you open that fuse box, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one, starting with fuse numbers right here, 1 through 15, and you have 16 through 28. But before we continue, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays now. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So where is the relay for the heated seats, guys? You will have 2 rows of relays that could be hard to actually access or see them, but if you pay attention in that row right here, that very first relay right here on top, this is known as relay number 1. This is for the heated seats. If your heated seats do not work, check that relay, check the fuses for heated seats. You will be able to find the video on our YouTube channel, Free Car Repair, this channel that you're watching. We have the fuse video as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.